Hey there, welcome back to White Budgeting. Today's video is all about helping you dodge the most common financial pitfalls young adults face. Trust me, avoiding these mistakes early can save you a lifetime of headaches, and yes, money too. So let's dive into the first financial trap you absolutely must avoid. Not having a budget. Imagine going on a road trip without a map. You wouldn't know how to reach your destination, right? Well, that's exactly what happens when you manage your money without a budget. Not tracking your income and expenses can quickly lead to overspending and unnecessary debt. Having a budget doesn't mean limiting yourself from enjoying life. Instead, it's about giving each dollar a clear purpose and making your money work for you. Start by simply listing all your monthly income sources, then write down every expense: rent, groceries, entertainment, everything. Once you know exactly where your money is going, you'll have more control and clarity. And here's a quick tip: use budgeting apps or even just a spreadsheet. Whatever makes budgeting easier and enjoyable for you. Remember, a small effort today can lead to big financial freedom tomorrow. Chapter 2. Overspending on lifestyle inflation. So, you got that raise or landed a better paying job. Awesome. But beware of lifestyle inflation, a sneaky habit where you increase your spending as your income grows. This habit can trap you in a cycle where no matter how much you earn, you always feel broke. Instead, make conscious decisions about your spending. Just because you can afford more doesn't mean you should always spend more. Aim to live below your means and save or invest the extra money instead. Your future self will thank you for it, and you'll build real wealth over time, not just a flashy lifestyle today. Next up, we're diving into the world of debt and credit. Don't skip this. Understanding debt early on can save your financial future. Chapter 3. Ignoring debt and credit management. Debt can either be a helpful tool or a dangerous pitfall, depending entirely on how you manage it. Sadly, too many young adults ignore their debts or misuse credit cards without fully understanding the consequences. Ignoring debt doesn't make it disappear. In fact, it grows faster due to interest and fees. The key is to face your debts head on. Learn about interest rates, make payments on time, and always aim to pay more than the minimum. Good credit management early in life sets you up for bigger opportunities later, like buying a home or starting a business. So, take debt seriously and use credit responsibly to build a stable financial future. Now, let's focus on the next topic. Why neglecting emergency savings can derail even the best financial plans. Life is unpredictable. Car issues, medical expenses, or sudden job loss can happen to anyone. Without emergency savings, you're forced into debt at the worst possible time. The best way to protect yourself is to build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. It might sound challenging, but even starting small, setting aside a little each paycheck, can make a huge difference. Here's how to get started. Automate your savings. Set automatic transfers from your checking to savings every payday. Cut unnecessary expenses. Even small cutbacks like skipping expensive coffees or dining out can add up. Save unexpected cash. Put bonuses, tax refunds, or extra income directly into your emergency fund. Start small. Even saving $20 or $50 each month counts. Increase as your income grows. Think of your emergency fund as your financial safety net. Be consistent, and you'll soon have peace of mind knowing you're prepared for unexpected expenses. Okay, let's explore the fifth mistake: why delaying investing can cost you a fortune in the long run. You don't want to miss this valuable insight. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. This video, it's designed to inspire and educate. When you're young, retirement feels like a distant reality. But delaying investing can cost you significantly over time due to compound interest, the most powerful financial tool you have. Starting early, even with small amounts, lets compound interest work its magic, growing your money exponentially. Open a retirement account or start investing in index funds or ETFs. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Don't underestimate the power of time in investing. The difference can mean hundreds of thousands of dollars by retirement. Take action now and secure your financial future. Stay tuned for our final chapter, where we discuss how to avoid the trap of get-rich-quick schemes. Protect yourself from scams and make smart financial decisions. Number 6. Falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Everyone loves the idea of quick money, but these schemes rarely work. Whether it's risky investments, cryptocurrency scams, or pyramid schemes, the truth is, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Instead, build wealth sustainably. Invest in well-researched, legitimate opportunities and focus on long-term growth. Educate yourself, stay informed, and always question promises of overnight success. Protect yourself by learning about investments thoroughly, and remember, real wealth grows steadily, not overnight. Do your research, stay informed, and make choices that best suit your individual financial situation. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to share this video to help others avoid these financial mistakes. See you in the next video.